So the directions for this equation are to find the solutions for theta such that theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So when solving a trigonometric equation with just one trig term, you want to go ahead and isolate that term. So we would subtract 3 from both sides. So we have sine of 2 theta. Subtracting 3 will give us negative 1. So 2 theta here. This is sine of something, sine of 2 theta. But what we want to do in order to find this is we kind of need to think, what's the inverse sine of both sides? Or sine of what gives me or gives us negative 1? And as we think through sine, maybe you know your chart, or maybe you know what the graph of sine looks like, and you know that sine is negative 1 at 3 pi over 2. So this is when we take the inverse sine of both sides, we get 2 theta, because over here we're left with 2 theta, equals 3 pi over 2. Now this is 2 theta equals 3 pi over 2. So we want to solve for this. So this we can multiply by 1/2, both sides by 1/2, which gives us theta is equal to 3 pi over 4. Now, that is not our complete answer. That's actually our first answer. So when we found this 3 pi over 2, that was our answer for what 2 theta was equal to. So 2 theta is 3 pi over 2, and there's only one solution to 2 theta between 0 and 2 pi, but we multiplied both sides by 1/2. So there's actually going to be another solution besides this, and what we want to do to find the other solution is to realize that we had 2 theta, and so the normal period for sine is 2 pi, but what we do is we take 2 pi divided by this value here, divided by 2, so period is pi, so we want to add pi to our answer, and sometimes we have more than one answer, until we can't add anymore. And when I say we can't add anymore, it will get us over 2 pi, and we want our answers to be between 0 and 2 pi. So let's go ahead and add pi. So this is 3 pi over 4 plus pi. So the better form of this really is 4 pi over 4. So we have a common denominator, so we get an answer of 7 pi over 4. Which really is going to be our only other solution, because 3 pi over 4 was kind of our first answer, and then we can only get one other answer because there's 2 different groups of answers. We can keep adding pi, or 4 pi over 4, and that would give us 11 pi over 4, but 11 pi over 4 is over 2 pi, and we don't want answers over 2 pi. So our answer for this is 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4.